This is my go-to super quick salon friendly blow dry. After washing and treating our client's hair, we apply heat protectant and a light moisture cream to help smooth and add shine. Zoning my sections into 3 large zones: the nape, the crown and front zones. Removing moisture in the root area, directing the airflow down the follicle whilst applying tension with my opposite hand. Using firm tension, I place my round brush on top of my section, ensuring I have strong tension before directing the airflow to follow the brush using high speed and high heat. Focusing on the root to mid-lengths first, then the mid-lengths to ends second. You will notice the air is directed down the follicle whilst the brush is used to maintain maximum tension. I change the heat to the cool setting and cool each section before moving to the next section. This helps to smooth, add shine, and it will also help the blow dry to last longer. Perfect for frizzy and stubborn to smooth hair textures. We are getting closer to our goal of 100k subscribers, and 90% of you who watch my channel aren't even subscribed yet. Lend us a hand and subscribe today. You'll notice I try to avoid repetition of moving the brush through the hair. Working slow, firm with tension will benefit your body but also quicken the process. Work slow, firm and precise and you will get a better result faster. I direct the top zone forward. This creates a modern result whilst allowing your client to part their hair wherever they choose to. Allowing the section to set and cool over your client's forehead will create a curve in the shape when you comb it back off of their face. You could choose to wind your brush in and create a bouncy blowout, or direct the top zone back off of the face to create more volume. This is my super quick, easy blow dry tutorial, salon-fresh in minutes. Make sure you subscribe, and if you liked this tutorial, you should watch this one next.